What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a little 2022 Panini Chronicles Draft Picks value pack. Should have another one of these coming in, so when that comes in, I'll do the video on it. But let's go ahead and hop right into it and see what we get. Got a Russell Westbrook, Peyton Manning, Bailey Zappi, Garrett Wilson rookie. Let's go ahead and skip these out. Aaron Rodgers, Joe Montana, Trey McBride rookie, Aiden Hutchinson rookie, Kayvon Thibodeau rookie, George Pickens rated rookie, another Aiden Hutchinson, Malik Willis rookie, John Mechie, Kayvon again, and Matt Corral. So a nice little pack. We'll go over the more hit cards. Got the Kayvon rookie, Aiden Hutchinson, nice little rated rookie, George Pickens, another Kayvon Thibodeau, another Aiden, a Trey, and a Garrett Wilson. So, nice little value pack there. But yeah, guys, if you like this type of stuff, make sure to let me know. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, we got the second pack of the 2022 Chronicles Draft Picks. So let's see what we get here. Rookie Justin Ross. Rookie Drake London. D Swift. Marshall Falk. Got a rookie Breece Hall. Rookie Jalen Tolbert. Got Justin Jefferson. Ricky Williams. Rated rookie David Bell. College ticket. Rookie Desmond Ridder. Traylon Burks, Kenny Pickett, Sam Howell, Aiden Hutchinson, and Malik Willis. So, cool little pack there. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this type of stuff, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Donruss value pack opening. I believe this is 2020. This is the first of a couple of packs we have coming in. I'll just add the other ones onto this video. But yeah, let's see what we've got in the first one. Base. Flip them over because I don't want to miss anything. Rookie B2 Bobby Bradley, Mike Trout, Nico Horner rated rookie, Austin Meadows Diamond King, rated rookie Brock Burke, Diamond Kings Buster Posey, Chris Davis, Trevor Bauer, rated rookie Nick Solak, Cool little cards here, man. Look forward to the other ones coming in. Aldelardo. USA Nick Lofton. Cal Ripken Jr. Jose Canseco, Keith Hernandez, Dave Winfield, and Zach Collins, rookie. So cool little card opening. When the other ones come in, I'll make sure to video it for you guys. Alright guys, here's our second pack of the 2020 Donruss Baseball Value Pack. Sorry I had to turn these into 2 videos. I guess I had 2 orders and thought that they were closer to the same time than they were, but they were not. We'll just kind of slowly try to skip through the base. Some of these get stuck together though, so I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. See, I already almost missed the rated rookie. Rated rookie Bo Bichette. Nice little rookie there. Diamond Kings Vlad. Anthony Rizzo. Zach Gallen rated rookie. Like that. Fernando. Kirby Puckett. El Mago. Aaron Judge. On a little fish parallel there. Willie Calhoun. Diamond Kings Buster Posey. Rookie Jonathan Daza. Jose Altuve Donruss Baseball as seen. And the last ones are going to be a couple inserts here. Got a rookie Yu Chang. And then just some older players on those parallels. That's going to be it for this video, though. If you like this type of stuff, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a 2021 Score Value Pack. I believe I have a couple of these, but right now I only have this one in. So when I get the other ones, I'll add it to this video. But let's go ahead and hop right into it. Let's make sure I don't miss anything. Try to make sure I don't miss any rookies. John Randall, Justin Tucker, Josh Allen. Got a Jalen Waddle rookie. Next level, Henry Huggs. Nick Bosa, Patrick Willis, and Navarro Bowman. Score Team Tua. Troy. Aaron Donald. Kyler Murray, Score Team. Zeke, Next Level. Kyler. Luke. Score Team Zeke. Brady White, rookie. Terrace Marshall. Baron Boeing. Elijah Molden. Trevor Lawrence, rookie. Travis Etienne, rookie. Max Crosby, Xavier Howard, Patrick Peterson, Curtis Samuel, George Kittle, and Philip Lindsay. I'll see you guys when I get pack 2. What's going on, guys? We got another Score 2021 football pack. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. We'll add this one into the other one that we opened. Let's see what we got here. Gotta make sure I don't miss anything in all this base. Score Myles Garrett, Thurman Thomas, Nelson Aguilar. Next level, Nick Bosa, game phase, score man. Got a rookie, Justin Fields. Next level, Justin Herbert. 30 club, Derrick Henry. Next level, CD. 30 club. Next level, got a rookie, Mac Jones. Stephon Diggs. Rookie, Rondale Moore. Ramondre Stevenson. J.C. Horn. Justin Fields. Another Justin Fields. And then a rookie, De'Ami Brown. And then just base from there. So a nice little pack there. Got us some nice little rookies. Not too bad. What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing some Contenders Football 2019 packs. So let's hop right into it and see what we get here. These are some older packs. So let's go ahead and hop into this. Josh Allen, Josh Norman, Myles Garrett, Noah Fant, TJ Hawkinson, draft round card. Aaron Jones, Joe Mixon, Patrick Mahomes. So I don't even know. I guess it'd say rookie on them. I don't. Alright, nothing from the first pack. Matthew Stafford, Delane Walker, Calvin Ridley. Got Byron Murphy and Andy Isabella. More base. And then the expired code. Last pack here. Phillip Rivers, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Patrick Willis, Legends, C.J. Mosley, and another redeem. So, didn't really get anything. Got a Patrick Willis and 2 first round, or round 1 picks and second round picks card. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoy when I do this type of stuff, make sure to let me know down in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's going on, guys? Got us another 2019 Panini Contenders football pack. We're just going to include this one in with whichever other packs we had of this stuff. I know we had at least two, I think, and if not, then oh well. We'll just put this one on in a video of itself, but I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, we definitely did. Bruh, no way I just got a base pack. Dude. Crazy. So, base pack. What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we've got our rookies and stars. I believe, let's see, what year is this? For some reason it doesn't say on the pack. I think this is probably 2019. Yeah, I think this is 2019. Rookies and stars, but anyway, let's hop right into this. Sometimes these packs give me a hard time, and I don't want to try to open them with everything around me. George Kittle, Joe Mixon, Nick Chubb, Tom Brady, Jacobs, rookie Mac Wilson, Devin Singletary, Aaron Donald, Corey Davis, Christian, and I think, is Josh Jacobs a rookie in this class? What does it say? Rookie Rush? Yeah, I think that's a rookie. We'll see. I'll have to check after this, but let's hop right into the next one. These older packs are always a pain to open. T.Y. Hilton, Cooper Kupp, Alvin Kamara, A.J. Brown, Rookie Rush, Action Packed, Derwin James, Ben Bergevin, Marcus Green, AP, and K'Ron Davis, and J.J. Watt, and then another redemption. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoy this type of stuff, make sure to let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's going on, guys? We got us another Rookies and Stars, I believe 2019. We had a couple other of these packs in a past video, so we're just going to throw this one into the same video. Had a couple of packs come in kind of later. So let's hop right into it. Got D-Hop on the green parallel. A.J. Brown, rookie. Action Packed. Derwin James. Rookie Paris Campbell. Rookie Scotty Miller. And then just base. So, pretty neat little pack there. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one, guys.